Hello, hello, hello. It's Jacob here, and today I'm going to show you, no matter your skill level or ability with video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make any car, no matter the make or model, look amazing online so you can stand out against your competitors. Okay, so there's a little bit more to it than that, and that's something that I get to teach, which is super exciting. So with Calibre, we are now teaching courses in how to create amazing videos very easily, efficiently, just using all the digital skills in your arsenal to stand out online. But hopefully you really enjoyed this. It was just a bit of fun, and I'll hopefully speak to you very soon.